now that the oil has temperature has increased, very quickly I'm going to put this in and just give it a few seconds will do. This is called jeong.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Recently, Appa actually did a jeong pork recently, which tastes out to be pretty well, but there's definitely some room to improve it. So today I'm going to improve on that particular version. It tastes superb. All of you may have tasted jeong gai before. Let's try this jeong pork. Okay, I have approximately 200 grams of pork belly here. Two things to take note. Number one, you have to first remove the skin. Yeah, remove the skin. That is something that I forgot to do last round. If you don't remove the skin is going to be very chewy after deep fry. So remove the skin. After that, slice the pork belly into thin slices. After which, I'm going to marinate it and deep fry. That's it. Very simple. So I have some approximately 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and a bit of minced ginger here, and we shall give it a little bit of light soy sauce, not too much. And of course you want the jiang, which is the shrimp paste. I'm putting it approximately slightly more than 1 teaspoon. A bit of oyster sauce, a bit of salt. The prawn, the jiang is already salty, so don't put too much salt. Yeah. A bit of my Cooking Appa chicken salt powder to give it some further umami flavor. A bit of sugar, some Shaoxing wine, and an egg. Next is to mix everything up nicely. So after which, you can actually leave this marinade inside the fridge for about 1 hour if you can. Today, Appa is going to directly use it straight away, so still going to be okay as well. So next thing, we will prepare some potato starch. I'm using potato starch today, and then we are going to coat the pork with the potato starch, the marinated pork. Right, so prepare some hot oil here. We want to use medium heated oil. Once you put chopstick inside, you see some seasoning. This is somewhere around 140 to 150 degrees, exactly the kind of temperature we wanted. Then we will put in the pork pieces by pieces, so that we try not to let them stick together too easily. Yeah, I would say the frying process will not take very long, plus minus about 5 minutes. Maintain the temperature. Do not reduce the temperature right now. Wow, I can smell the belacan. Very fragrant. There's this magic about fermented ingredient, especially things like belacan. Wow, smells really good. So we are going to fry 2 times. The first 3 to 5 minutes, it is to make it cook. After which, we will raise the temperature of the oil and fry again for probably another 10 seconds or so. That is going to make it real crispy. Some people doesn't know when is their meat getting cooked. Actually, few things you can refer to. Number one thing, you will notice the bubbles becoming lesser and lesser. Number two, as you are pushing the ingredient inside, it gets lighter and lighter. All those are signs telling you it is actually almost cooked. Yeah. The color is really starting to taking shape. Very nice, brownish golden color. Actually, now it feels like a little bit like the Taiwan 盐酥鸡. with belacan flavor. Wow, really nice. I can feel it's quite crispy already. Alright, this is approximately 4 to 5 minutes. Definitely, the meat is definitely cooked because I actually sliced it very thinly just now. So now I'm going to take out all this and put it aside, set it aside on the oil absorbing paper while I prepare for double fry. So double fry is basically a cooking technique that actually uses higher temperature of oil to make whatever you're frying even more crispier. But there's only one thing you need to take note. If you don't take it out fast enough during your double fry, it can get 炒打. So you do need to be a little bit more careful. Look at my Taiwan 盐酥鸡. Looks so nice, isn't it? Whoa. Now I'm going to raise the heat. Yeah, I'm going to raise the heat for this oil right now. Right now that the oil has temperature has increased. Very quickly, I'm going to put this in and just give it a few seconds will do. This is called jeong double fry. Oh, right, done. Yeah, I'm going to take it out again very fast. Put it into another oil absorbing paper. Now this will be super crispy. Look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. So this is our jeong pork today. So here's my jeong pork today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page, okay, like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Kids will love this. Bye bye.